Computer numerical control mills are designed to rapidly perform a wide variety of metal cutting operations using multiple tools. All CNC mills require 3 categories of offsets. Each offset performs a distinct function. Work shift offsets reposition the spindle in all 3 axes. Work shift offsets move tools along the X, Y, and Z axes from machine 0, the tool's initial position, to program 0. To set work shift offset, the CNC mill determines the distance it must travel along the X, Y, and Z axes in order for the center line of the spindle to reach program 0, usually the corner of the part.